I'm Anthony Brewer, the head of research and development at WearOptimo, and we've extensively used Microscopy Australia in the last 2 to 3 years as we've developed our technology. The tools that we've used and the processes we've used have evolved as we've gone along the TRL process or TRL trajectory. So in those basic research stages, we actively used some microscopy. But then as we go through to product development, as an example, it's less about imaging what we make, it's more about quality control. So now that we're in product development stages and moving towards human trials, quality control is vital for us. We have a specification, we need to meet that specification. So it's great to have a range of tools that we've been able to employ as we've marched along the TRL process from a very fundamental basic research 2 to 3 years ago to where we are now in that product development and moving towards human trials.